Hi there, my name is Knotty Pattern and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern. It's actually really easy, but I got the request to show it and I'm gonna do that today. So basically this is a very big, huge blanket. I can't even fit it the whole into the screen. It's really big for a master bed. And it's got a lot of knots, as you see. They're left out on purpose, and I'll give you a hint how to do that too. And today I'm going to use my very own mini yarn balls. I have a whole ball of them here, and I actually make them myself together with my sister, and we are selling them on Etsy. I'll include the link, and I'll show you how to make this blanket using these mini yarn balls or any other yarn you have at home. You can use basically any weight yarn, any colors. You can join them as you like. It's really creative, really easy to do. So basically I'll leave it out now. What we do for this particular mini yarn balls, I use 3mm hook. These are my favorite ones, aluminum, and I will show you how to create that effect and how to make this pattern. So if you want to just crochet it with a solid one color yarn, you can also do that. You don't necessarily need to use these mini yarn balls unless you also like them. So basically we start with a chain, any any length you like. It depends on how long how wide the blanket you want to be, so just adjust it accordingly. If you use thicker yarn, you need to also adjust the hook. So if you use, for example, worsted or chunky, you may need a 4-5mm hook, or even maybe 6 or 7. So we make a chain first. So I'll use longer ends of the yarn here, but then I'll show you how to join these any two colors and to create another effect. So okay, to show you the pattern, it's enough. So it's going to be more as a scarf probably, not the blanket. If you make the blanket, make it at least 1 meter long. So it's probably for a baby blanket, 120 or 150 in centimeters. Meters, not inches, for the lap blanket. And for the bed cover you would need probably 2 meters wide or 2.5, so to just lay them on the side. Then we'll use double crochet for this pattern, and we do double crochet. We skip 2, and to the 3rd stitch from the hook we do double crochet. Okay, then we do 1 chain, then skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next one. Then 1 chain again, then also skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next one. If you don't know how to do double crochet, I have a basic tutorial for total beginners in my short series. So go to my channel, find the tutorial, and just practice double crochet first. And basically we finish the whole row in the same pattern: 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, and it's actually the whole pattern like this, but I'll show you how to start and finish the row. So I'll just finish this row now, and you can do this together with me, and we'll meet at the end of the row. So we will finish here at the end together, and to finish the row we need to do 3 double crochets. Here we skipped 1 chain, and the second one double crochet without skipping, and the third one here. In this case I don't have any chain left here because I didn't count properly, so it doesn't matter. You can do the third double crochet in the same last stitch here, and this way we prolong our chain, so we have 3 double crochets. We will start the next row by doing 3 double crochet, 3 chains, sorry, and do the third double crochet in this middle stitch here on the top of the second double crochet from this block. So we do double crochet, then we'll do 1 chain, and then double crochet in this bigger hole here where we did 1 chain, and then we'll keep repeating the pattern. 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next hole around the chain, and in this way 1 chain, 1 double crochet, we finish the whole row. Okay, here we came to the very end, and we'll do 3 double crochets. So the first one goes to this last bigger hole here, the second one on the top of double crochet, and the third one to the top of the chain from the previous row here. So we start the next row with 3 chain, then we'll do double crochet on the top of the second double crochet from the previous row, then 1 chain, double crochet here in the bigger hole, and we keep going with the same pattern as long as we like. And here I joined the next color already because somehow the filament stopped and I didn't even notice, so I'll show you how to join colors very soon now. Again, and double crochet, chain, double crochet, and we just leave this knot wherever it appears to be, chain, double crochet. And if you want the same effect as my blanket, just do 4 or 5 double crochets of this color here, and we'll change the next color. Okay, the 4th double crochet, the 5th, and we'll change the color again. So cut the yarn, and I use these big scissors. I really like them. I don't really like small ones. These are particular for material, so for sewing and for yarn. I'll include the link. And I will now take this bright green and I'll attach it here. So I put both ends together. I do the knot in this way. Okay. And it's I see one piece of yarn is shorter, so I did the longer way and I cut it. Normally I just join them and leave very short, and just keep crocheting. You can connect any yarn you like, any leftovers you have, and in this way create really beautiful effect. So you can see how beautifully yarns changing. And then you can cut and create, join another one and keep going in this way for as long as you like. So here both ends occur to be on one side, then they randomly occur to be on the other side, and in this way you create this effect as you go. If you don't want to cut the yarn join by yourself, I have these knotty yarn balls ready for you on my Etsy store as well. They're available to buy prepared, so they are all prepared in like this length, maybe short in these short ends, and they are as colorful as could be. So check them out, and also try this pattern with your yarn in for blankets, for scarves, and you can share with me on my Instagram, or just comment here how you did it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please see other videos of mine. There are many more tutorials, and let's meet in another video. Bye.